I dug this backtrack out and I found that it did have legs on it and some concrete. But what was weird was concrete got found was only partially around one leg, nowhere close to the other leg, and then none on this leg. And I understand now why they went so short is because for whatever reason there's concrete all right there. I may just stub like a horizontal piece off it like that. The steel that was on the legs was still good. It's just not deep enough. So what I did is I just stubbed up right next to it. And then again, we're going to figure out what's going on here. So you can see that I've cut the backtrack back there. I may cut it back a little bit further there, we'll see. But you can see I've cut it a good 12 inches there, 14, 15 inches there. And then I'll cut the same thing on the track right up here. And then I want to weld a couple other pieces on the side just to give it a little bit more surface area for the concrete to bite to. And then we'll just start mixing up some concrete and put it in there. And while that's setting up, we will weld these other pieces of angle iron on here. And we'll be looking pretty good. And as you can see, I used heavy wall. That's a 1/4 inch. Really don't have to worry about it rusting. Well, I guess it's time to mix up some concrete and get it level. Well, I guess I'll set it in there first and then figure out what I'm going to do here. Whether it's just probably weld a piece horizontally there and then tack weld it to the bottom of here. Still got to weld a couple pieces on here. I'll just weld some of these brackets right here. That'll give it a little surface area. And then some of this leftover steel, I'll weld some pieces of that on there too. And that'll just give it a little bit more surface area, horizontal surface area for the concrete to bite to.